I'm hungry. What do I want to eat? Nothing looks good at all. Yeah, I guess just have some cereal.
Listen. Take one good look at yourselves in the mirror, because it's a fucking disgrace.
Alright. I know what needs to be done. Hey, what is up YouTube? Today I decided to upgrade my food game. I will be eating and cooking like Gordon Ramsay today. So every meal I have is gonna be cooked by Chef Enzo, but it will be a Gordon Ramsay certified recipe. It is just about 8 a.m. so it's the perfect time for me to cook breakfast. I decided to have Gordon Ramsay's signature Eggs Benedict.
Are you ready? I said, are you ready?
So the hardest part about Eggs Benedict is definitely gonna be the hollandaise sauce. So let's just go ahead and get that right out of the way so if we fuck up, we can do it again. First thing we need to do for hollandaise sauce is we need to separate some eggs. So I've got my egg yolk separated now. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of vinegar and mix them up. So Gordon Ramsay's recipe actually called for prosciutto or Parma ham, but it was like $8 at the store, and I love prosciutto, but I already had bacon. So we're gonna have bacon with our Eggs Benedict, which is pretty much just as good. All right guys, we got a nice bowl going, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the hollandaise now. We'll see if I fuck it up or not, all right? I'm hoping I'm not fucking this up. How thick that is now, huh? A little salt. I actually think I did a pretty fucking good job. Check this out. Looks just like hollandaise. See, it's nice and thick. I am fucking finally ready to eat, guys. This took me like 30 minutes, so mainly the hollandaise sauce. The rest of the stuff takes a couple minutes. But check this out. Passes the taste test. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. You know, I was so worried about that hollandaise sauce, but I nailed it. It's perfect. That's how you poach an egg. Wow, it's all gone, just like that. God damn, Gordon Ramsay eats good. I doubt he actually eats like this shit every day. He eats healthy. I mean, he did lose a lot of weight. Yeah, I'm pumped. Good, ready to start this video? Didn't fuck anything up yet? We'll see how lunch goes. Just finished my workout and had a nice shower, and it is the perfect time for lunch. So I will be having Gordon Ramsay's California fried chicken sandwich. So this recipe actually intrigued me because it looks delicious, but actually seems somewhat quite healthy. It says it's fried, but it's actually not fried chicken, but it should be delicious and crunchy as if it was, but I'm actually gonna be baking it instead. And then the normal mayo / aioli sauce that would be served for fried chicken sandwich, we're gonna be making a yogurt one. So fried chicken sandwich, but the healthy version. So let's start it. So like I said, this is a fried chicken sandwich, but we're actually gonna be coating it with this rice cereal when we bake it to kind of give it that nice crunchy exterior. So I've gone ahead and I've cut my chicken breasts into equal sized pieces, and I have 3 different containers, one with flour that's been seasoned, one with eggs that are beaten, and one with that rice cereal that I've slightly crunched with my hands. I'm simply gonna go ahead and dip the chicken in the flour, wiggle a little bit, put it in the eggs, wiggle a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in the rice, coat it, and I'm gonna get it on a pan. I'm gonna repeat that with all the chicken, and then I'm gonna cook these boys up. I'm done breading the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So in the recipe for the yogurt sauce, it actually only calls for yogurt, garlic, and apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and add some heat to that because I like things spicy, and if I'm having a fried chicken sandwich, it better have some heat on it. I'm still pretty new to eating avocado, so picking them out so that they're ripe is something I suck at. But I picked this one out for this video, for this lunch. So, drum roll please. Looks good, nice. Look pretty good. Nice. All right, guys, chicken is done. It's time to assemble these sandwiches. And you know, I'm gonna have 2. I'm hungry. I'm a big boy. We can eat. It's finally that time, and I am excited because these actually look phenomenal. Let me just give you a little quick sneak peek, huh? Look at that. All right, well, there's only one thing to do now. Gotta go in. Oh, that's delicious. First sandwich down. It's time for round 2. Check out this big ass fucker, huh? We're gonna go right in. Gordon Ramsay would look at me like a fucking son right now. He'd be proud. You know, Eggs Benedict is delicious, but it's not something I can eat every day. I could eat this every day. Super good, decently healthy. Thanks, Gordon, my boy. Woo! Oh, I'm full. That was so fucking good. I need a break now. I'm gonna go chill, and in a couple hours we will get started on dinner. It is time to make dinner, and what better way to end the video than to make some pasta. So I'm gonna be making Gordon Ramsay's carbonara. So according to Gordon Ramsay, this should only take me 10 minutes to make once I've prepped everything. I doubt I will be able to do it that fast, as I am not a professional like Gordon Ramsay, but I'll do my best. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I got everything prepped out. Got my bacon cut, got my garlic cut, got my chili cut, got my parsley cut, and I got my egg yolks mixed with the Parmesan and the creme fraiche. So next step, we're just gonna get that pasta cooking and start the bacon, and it's all gonna come together real quick. All right, I did it, and it actually looks perfect. Check it out. All right, guys, it's finally time for me to eat this. I'm super excited. I think this may be the thing I'm looking forward to the most out of everything I made today. I just got a soft spot for pasta. I'm Italian, I'm weak, it's in my blood. So why don't we give it a taste test? Kind of a big bite. It's perfect. It's perfect. Gordon, I don't think I messed up a single one of your recipes today. Give me some good luck for this, okay? Please. All right, guys, that's basically it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this food. Probably gonna be pretty full, but it's so delicious, it's so worth it. Yeah, I had a lot of fun making this video, so if you like this type of video, let me know. Maybe I'll make more in the future. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Peace.